Alright, good afternoon, Mike. This is how your site's looking. Give you a little bit of perspective on it. The driveway down below. There's your new driveway. And there's your look up the hill. Here's a look down your driveway. You'll notice there's still some work to do on the shoulders here. We're just getting things in place and getting good access to the site. A little more culvert to extend on both sides. We've sloped the shoulders really nicely, cleaned up a lot of the trees, just a lot of dead wood and junk wood, and of course obviously your monster junk wood pile is gone from the side of your driveway here. Nice little pile of loam and some rocks, and saving all the rocks. We found a little piece of ledge up here about halfway up the driveway, and of course we knew that was going to be there, so we just stayed over to the side of it. Really clean this up, sloped your banks. This will all be hayed and seeded. Still a few trees to clean up. I didn't actually realize Jeff was going to mobilize down here this week, so I didn't plan on sending anybody down to get the trees out of the woods until maybe next week or the week after. So there's still a few trees in the woods that need to be hauled out for the grooming, but it'll be a lot easier to do after the road is in. Your neighbor Tom is up visiting. Alright, so here's where we started to clear things out. Try to give you a good perspective here of the lot. So it really helps once the trees are down. You really get a good sense for how nice this lot really is. It's opened up quite nicely, and it's going to give you a good view down into the bay there, into the river. All right, now we located some posts here. Some stakes to give you an approximation of where we envision the house sitting, because there's the end of your driveway, and I'll zoom in a little bit on these posts. See one right there and there, and then the other two posts being here and here. And as I had mentioned to you, the only spot that we could get the septic field in and get gravity to and get soils is just here on the left, right at the end of the driveway. Because it doesn't go to the water. It goes 50 feet above the water onto, so right here at the end of the driveway, you can see the ribbons with the blue, or the stakes with the blue ribbons there, and here, and there, and that's right at the end of your driveway. And this, the material from that would then, from the top of the septic field, would then slope out into the front of the house, and that would all be part of your lawn in the front of your house here. And I'll get a better angle on it here in a second. So here I am at the corner of your septic field, your furthest corner, lowest on the hill, and you can see the grade here sloping, and you can see our erosion control measures are in place here. We actually have an erosion bark in place along the edge of our excavation, and so your lawn is going to extend out probably 40 feet or so, maybe 50 feet in the front of your house. And there'll be a rock wall that actually starts right over here at this corner of the septic field, and then continues out kind of on a little bit of a semicircle, and gives you your lawn. I think that's probably all I can get on one video and upload, so I'll take one more and show you what I think we ought to do with the path down to the water here a little later on.